pigs, Mother Pig, Father Pig, and the three little pigs.
I don't know about little.
You're right, our pigs are getting bigger every day, and they are messy too. I just mean, look around. This place is starting to look like a pigsty.
I think the time has come for them to leave home.
I agree. We should tell them.
I think now is as good a time as any.
You're right.
Pork, ham, bacon! Pork came in quickly. Yes, Mom. Ham followed a few moments later. What? And then finally bacon arrived.
Now, boys, your dad and I feel like it's time to leave home.
Yes, I think you're right. I suppose so.
All right, party!
Well, it's not always that easy. You'll each need to make a home somewhere.
No problems.
And you'll need to find something to work at.
I guess we will.
Work?
What matter, Chandler?
And so, Mother Pig and Father Pig set their three little pigs, but not before giving them each a big hug. They kissed them once, they kissed them twice, and then they gave them this advice. Whatever in your life you plan, make sure you do the best you can. The three little pigs found a place in the forest to build their three homes. There's some straw over there. That'll do. I'll use that to build my home.
Those sticks will be okay for my home. I'm going to do my best to make a strong home, and so I'll use bricks.
Three little pigs finally built their homes. And then along came a big bad wolf. He was carrying a bag and licked his lips.
Aha! 3 little pigs living nearby. Bacon, ham, and pork. They sound delicious. I'll start with bacon.
Now the wolf came to the door. He checked the bag. He packed the floor. A dozen eggs the wolf had taken. He wanted eggs to go with bacon.
Little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, then I'll puff, then I'll blow your house in.
The straw blew all over the wolf as Bacon ran into Ham's house.
Ah, 2 for the price of 1. I'll try Ham's house next.
Now as the wolf came to the door, he checked the bag, he packed the floor. The food he asked was sure to please. He fancied toast, ham with cheese.
Little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, then I'll puff, then I'll blow your house in.
The sticks flew all over the place as Bacon and Ham ran into Pork's house.
Ah, all 3 together in Pork's house as a feast.
Now as the wolf came to the door, he checked the bag, he packed before. It isn't hard to guess, of course, for pork, he wrote some applesauce.
Little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, then I'll puff, then I'll blow your house in.
The house of bricks stood firm. The wolf couldn't believe it.
I can't believe it!
The wolf was crossed. He stamped his feet. Those little pigs he longed to eat. He climbed the house. He didn't stop. He headed right up to the top.
The pigs think he's pretty smart. Well, I'll show him who's the smartest. I'll climb up the chimney and slide down into the house, and there'll be pork, ham, and bacon for dinner. Yum, I can't wait.
The three little pigs heard the wolf climbing up to the roof.
They heard him climb over the roof into the chimney. Arr.
They heard him stop at the chimney, but Pork was looking around, and he finally found a big net. Pork, ham, bacon, hold on to the sides of the net and stretch it out below the chimney. We'll catch the wolf in it.
Great idea, Pork. The wolf slid down the chimney and fell straight into the net. Pork took hold of the net and tied up the top. Oh, Pork, you saved our lives.
In fact, you saved our bacon, but we have learned our lesson.
Yes, next time we'll do our best we can.
Well, that's good because I want you to do your best to come up with an idea.
The wolf was all tied up and out, but what could they do with him now? The wolf was hard as such a cat who'd want a wolf who's big and bad.
The three little pigs frowned and thought hard.
Mom and Dad said we should find something to work at, so perhaps we could make a zoo and put the wolf on show. Great idea, Ham, but not just an ordinary zoo, something different. Could specialize in fantastic, incredible animals. Yeah, I'm fantastic and incredible. So instead of a zoo, it could be a nature kingdom. And here's what we'll call it.
Brilliant!
One incredible nature kingdom. Oink! And that's what they did. They worked hard to make it the best nature kingdom, and the wolf became a great attraction.
Mother and Father Pig were happy with their three little pigs' achievement.
The little pig is given oink!